Every dream starts small, sometimes as small as a single thread.
He stepped into a world he didn't fully understand, but he was ready to try. The noise was loud, the work was tough, but curiosity kept him going. There were days his body wanted to quit.
And days his mind whispered, "This is too hard."
But sometimes, a little support changes everything. He started learning, one step at a time.
From fiber to yarn, he saw how small things become something bigger. Slowly, confusion turned into confidence. He failed more than once.
But failure wasn't the end. It was the lesson. With time, he began to create, not just work. And something changed. He started to enjoy the journey.
Days turned into months. Effort turned into skill. He was no longer just learning, he was leading.
What once felt like struggle became something meaningful. Every piece he made carried a part of his story.
From doubt to determination to success.
He realized greatness isn't instant.
It's built thread by thread.
And every small effort matters.
So keep going, even when it feels slow.
Because one day, your journey will inspire someone else.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.